Welcome to Philippine-Canadian Enquirer's Daily News Roundup, brought to you by CanadianEnquirer.net, your only Filipino-Canadian daily news portal. I'm Rowan Echo, and here are stories making headlines today. BIR files tax evasion complaint against Rappler Holdings. The Bureau of Internal Revenue has filed a criminal complaint against the parent company of Rappler Incorporated for willful attempt to evade or defeat tax and for deliberate failure to supply correct and accurate information in its annual income tax return and value-added tax returns for taxable year 2015. The BIR filed a tax evasion complaint against Rappler Holdings Corporation, together with its president Maria A. Ressa and treasurer James C. Bitanga at the Department of Justice on Thursday. The agency said that Rappler Holdings has an aggregated tax liability of 133,841,305.75 pesos, that is 91,320,481.8 pesos in income tax, and 42,520,824.67 pesos in VAT. In response to this, Reza described the speedy decision of BIR to file the complaint as the latest harassment of the government against Rappler. She adds that BIR should check its own records, for it had previously recognized Rappler as one of the top 500 corporate taxpayers in Region 7. DOJ files criminal charges against 10 Aegis Juris fratmen. The Department of Justice filed a criminal complaint against 10 members of the Aegis Juris fraternity who were allegedly linked in the tragic death of the freshman law student of University of Santo Tomas, Horacio Acho Castillo III. In the resolution dated March 6, the DOJ has found enough grounds to file criminal charges against Arvin Balag, Ralph Trangia, Oliver John Audrey Onofre, Minway Chan, Daniel Hans, Matthew Rodrigo, Joshua Joriel Macabali, Axel Munrio Hipe, Marcelino Bagtang, Jose Miguel Salamat, and Robin Ramos. There was no bail recommended for all the 10 fratmen accused. The basis of the resolution came from the statement of another Aegis Juris member, Mark Ventura, who admitted to having been present during the hazing riot of Acho last September 2017 and is now under the government's witness protection program as he turned a state witness. DOJ's acting prosecutor General George Catalan said that Ventura's statement is the principal basis as his testimony appears to be credible and believable. The DOJ also based the complaint from the statement of John Paul Solano, another member of the frat who brought Acho's body to Chinese General Hospital, where he was declared dead on arrival. The DOJ has also filed cases of perjury and obstruction of justice against Solano for the inconsistency of his statements. Quote, the presence and participation of the said respondents in the initiation rights were established by the statements of both respondents Solano and Ventura, unquote, the resolution said. DOJ seeks to legally tag Joma Sison and 648 others as terrorists. The Department of Justice on Friday has filed a petition seeking to formally label more than 600 people as terrorists. Quote, the petition is filed pursuant to Section 17 of Republic Act No. 9372 or the Human Security Act of 2007, seeking for an order from this honorable court declaring respondents, namely the Communist Party of the Philippines and the New People's Army, also known as Bagong Hukbong Bayan, as terrorist and outlawed organization, associations, and or group of persons, unquote. The petition to legally tag executives and members of CPP-NPA was filed by Senior State Prosecutor Peter Ong last month, but it was made public only this week. Included in the list are CPP founder Jose Maria Sison, alleged CPP leaders Benito and Wilma Chamzon, ex-Bayan Muna Representative Satur Ocampo, UN Special Rapporteur for the Rights of Indigenous People Victoria Tauli Corpus, and National Democratic Front Peace negotiators Luis Halandoni, Connie Ledesma, Randal Ecanis, and Rafael Bailosis. That wraps up our news here on PCI Daily News Roundup. Thank you for joining us. For more news stories, visit our website at www.canadianenquirer.net.